Mediation is an interesting piece of the law in that it is an alternative means of resolving disputes. In the law, you usually have opposing positions, and what mediation does is it allows the parties to actually come up with their own solutions to that dispute. So instead of going before a judge and having a judge make some decision for you, which you may not like, if you don't get your way, it's a way for people to sit down together and talk about the issues, which are often emotional issues. Somebody's feelings were hurt, or they felt like they weren't respected, or something like that. And so sometimes just by talking about those things, people can step back from their positions and come up with a solution that works for both parties or multiple parties at times.
From compromise.
Yeah, well, it's a compromise in a way, but it's a kind of a methodology of coming up with solutions. And the mediator is a neutral person, so they're just there to help the people talk to each other. Typically, a mediator isn't telling them what they need to do or how they need to resolve the issue. So it's a little bit different than acting as an advocate, as an attorney normally would. I'm involved with it because I think it's better if people can peacefully come up with ways to resolve issues instead of going to court. Courts cost a lot of money. There are things that happen there that don't make people happy, and it's much easier if you can come up with a solution. And it's more likely people will stay with a solution. They'll comply with whatever they agree to. So that's actually part of my focus in my practice, and one of the areas in the county that I work in that I really promote that kind of activity. So.